President Salva Kiir appealed to civilians still living inside Juba's 2 displacement camps to return to their homes. "You are all my people, the problem that I have not been meeting you, it is because you decided to lock yourself inside the POCs. I urge you to come out of POCs and find settlement so that you can build your lives and raise your families. Go and tell those that are still hiding in the camps that you have met the South Sudan President Salva Kiir, and he is ready to welcome and meet you anytime." Kiir told traditional chiefs that met him at the State House on Wednesday. The IDPs have sought sanctuary at the former UNMISS designated protection of civilian sites following the outbreak of conflict in 2013.